Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and I have a really special announcement to make today, and I'm glad you're here. So this has been something that has been a long time in the making, and it's just been really hard to keep this a secret for so long. But as you can tell from the title, I have just minted my very own Paracord NFTs. So I'm sure many of you have heard of NFTs and cryptocurrency, and I'm sure many of you don't fully know or understand what an NFT even is. But anyhow, to put it simply, it's a form of cryptocurrency that is stored on the blockchain, and each is unique and can be tied to a picture, video, or just about anything. In this case, I've minted NFTs based on each of the different paracord patterns and weaves out there. Crypto and NFTs are truly the wave of the future, and I think this is a great opportunity for those of you who are looking into getting into this new technology. I'm sure this will be a great place to get started, and just to be clear and to explain it more simply, when you buy an NFT, say for the Cobranaut, you don't own the rights to the Cobranaut, you just own the NFT associated with the Cobranaut. It's that simple. So if there are Paracord creators out there who are worried about the NFT being associated to their design, it has no effect on their authorship whatsoever, and they will be credited, of course. So I think creating Paracord NFTs aren't just a great way to support this channel, I also think it's a great way to get more people to notice Paracord and bring some attention to this great hobby we share. So all that being said, I hope you can all get behind these Paracord NFTs and help build this new technology that can now be a part of the Paracord world. Linked down below is the link to my Paracord NFT website, where you can be a proud owner of one of the very first Paracord NFTs. So I'm not going to be discussing prices here, you'll have to check the link in the description box down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll all be joining me on this new journey that can make us all really wealthy beyond our wildest dreams.
Huh? Huh?